Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access OneDrive Recycle Bin. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign in to your Microsoft account. This ensures you have access to all your stored files and can manage your deleted items. After signing in, wait a moment while the login process completes and OneDrive loads your dashboard. This usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient as the page fully loads and displays all your files and folders. Now, to access your OneDrive Recycle Bin, direct your attention to the left navigation menu on your screen. You'll see several options listed there, and one of them is labeled Recycle Bin. Go ahead and click on it. This is where OneDrive temporarily stores all your deleted files, giving you a chance to recover them if needed or permanently remove them to free up storage space. Once you click on Recycle Bin, you'll see a list of all the files and folders you've recently deleted. These items aren't gone forever yet, which is helpful if you accidentally deleted something important. Now here's where you have two main options for managing these files. Click on any file from the list to select it. When you do this, you'll notice an action menu appears above the file list. This menu gives you control over what happens to your selected items. Within this action menu, you'll see two key options, Restore and Delete. If you choose the Restore option, the selected file will be moved back to its original location in your OneDrive. This is incredibly useful when you realize you need a file you thought you no longer wanted. The file will appear exactly where it was before you deleted it, making it easy to find and use again. On the other hand, if you need to free up storage space in your OneDrive account, you can click on the Delete option instead. This will permanently remove the selected files from your recycle bin. Once you do this, the files cannot be recovered, so make sure you're certain you no longer need them before taking this step. Permanently deleting files helps clear out your storage and ensures you're only keeping what you actually need, and that's how you access and manage your OneDrive Recycle Bin. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.